So today we are going to learn about the noun gender. Okay, gender of noun. Okay, so see, there are 4 types of gender of nouns. Okay, first one is masculine, second one feminine, okay, feminine, third one neuter, and fourth one common gender. Okay, so see, first one, that is masculine gender. Okay, so what is masculine gender? Masculine means male gender. Okay, these are the names of boys, men, and male animals. Getting? Masculine genders means the names of boys, men, male, male animals. Okay, so see example here. Man. Okay, man is, yes, man comes in the main category. Gentleman is also comes in the male category. Actor, okay, it's also come in the main category. Then grandfather is also come in the male category. Buck, pig, these animals also comes in the male category. Okay, the animals are which are come in the male category. Okay, that is the male. The animals which denote the male category, that is the masculine gender. Okay, so see, what is the masculine gender? These are the names of boys, okay, then men and male animals. That is the masculine gender. Okay, now see, what is feminine gender? Okay, so feminine gender, these are the names for girls. These are the names for girls, women and female animals. See, what is the feminine gender? These are the names of girls, women and female animals. That is the feminine gender. Okay, so see, man. First we took the example man, that is masculine gender. Okay, so now in the feminine gender we call women. Okay, women, it's denoting the feminine gender. Then lady is denoting the feminine gender. Then actor is the male gender, but actress is the female gender. Okay, lion is a male gender, lioness is the female gender. Okay, so noun in the feminine gender refers to the female people or animal. Okay, nouns in the masculine gender refers to the male people or animal. Nouns in the feminine gender refers to the female people or animal. Now see next one type, that is common gender. See, first we will see what is the common gender. Okay, 1 minute. Yeah, see, what is common gender? Common gender, this refers to the noun that cannot be male. Okay, that can be male or female. See, these refers to the noun that can be either male or female, people or animals. Okay, see, first example we are taking students. Okay, if I call student, then you didn't recognize, you can't identify that is male student or female student. Okay, so what is the common gender? That either male or female. See, either male, can be male or can be female. Either male or female. Okay, if you call parent, then can you tell that male parent or female parent? You cannot tell that male parent or female parent. Okay, so you cannot refer either male or female. So common noun in the common gender refers to either male or female, people or animal. Okay, if you call bird, so can you tell that it is a male bird or female bird? You can't tell. Okay, if you tell teacher, so can you tell male teacher or female teacher? You cannot tell. Okay, doctor, male doctor, female doctor, you cannot tell. Yes, friend also. Very good, Swarit. Friend also. Okay, you cannot tell that male friend or female friend. Okay, so it is also the example of the common gender. Now next one is the neuter gender. What is the meaning of neuter gender? Neuter gender means when you cannot refer neither male nor female. Getting? See, these are nouns that name non-living things without any gender. They are used for object and places. Okay, means they use for the non-living things, object and places. They are also used to name the months of the year and days of the week. Okay, so see, noun in the neuter gender refers to neither male nor female. Okay, neither male people nor female people or animals. They refers to things that is do not have life, means non-living things like objects and places. Okay, see examples over here. First example is pen. Okay, so pen, you cannot say that is a male or female. Okay, the pen is neither a male nor a female. Okay, so see here the pen is a neuter gender. Okay, then one more example, page. Okay, so see page is also the neuter gender. Okay, page is also non-living thing. Okay, it is also the page has also not life. Okay, hospital, building, pond, sand, bus, duster, box. Okay, clothes, November, Thursday. Okay, these all things and month, days has no life. Okay, they do not have life, so they are the neuter gender. Okay, so what is the masculine gender? Masculine gender refers to the male people or animal. So feminine gender is refers to the female people or animal. Getting? Common gender refers to either female or male, and neuter gender neither refers to the male or female, and it used for the object, means non-living things. Okay, that is the gender, and it has 4 types, that is masculine, feminine, common and neuter. Okay, let us see some more example. See here, boy. Boy is a masculine gender because it's refer to the male category. Okay, and what is the feminine gender then? Girl. Okay, it's referred to the female category. Okay, then car. Car is a neuter gender. Okay, because it has no life. Okay, it is the object, so car is a neuter gender. Okay, so see, man, women. Okay, man is the masculine gender, woman is the feminine gender, and table is the neuter gender. Getting? Now see, some more examples here. Okay, so actor. Actor is male gender and actress is female gender. Okay, now next one, author. Author is male gender, and what is the female gender? That is authoress. Okay, bachelor. Bachelor means the boy who till he do not marry. Okay, spinster means a girl. Okay, so bachelor, what is the female gender? Then spinster. Okay, boy, girl. Then bridegroom. Okay, and bride. So bridegroom is a masculine gender. Okay, it's referred to the male category, and bride refers to the female category. Okay, so bride is the feminine gender. Okay, So noun in the masculine gender can be changed to the feminine gender in different ways. Okay, noun in the masculine gender like actress, okay, it's changed to the feminine gender. Okay, actress. Okay, author, authoress, bachelor, spinster, boy, girl, bridegroom, bride, conductor, conductress, emperor, empress, gentleman, lady, or you can say gentle lady. Okay, so miss, master, mistress. Okay, here is, so we can change the male gender, masculine gender into the feminine gender. So hero, heroine, landlord, landlady. Okay, so these are also the examples of the masculine and feminine gender which we